Applications of thermal radiation. Thermal radiation can be applied in a number of areas in real life, both at the domestic level and for commercial purposes. Number one is the vacuum flask, or commonly known as thermal flask. This is a device that keeps hot substances hot and cold substances cold for some time. It was designed by Sir James Dewar, so that is why sometimes it is referred to as Dewar's flask. The diagram here represents the cross-sectional with the basic parts that enables it to function effectively. The air between the double walls is blown out through the vacuum seal, not indicated in the diagram, hence creates a vacuum that we have. The vacuum prevents heat loss via conduction and convection. The layer of silver coating within the flask, so the inner walls of the flask are silvery. So the layer of silver coating prevents heat losses by radiation. Minimizes heat losses by radiation. The well-fitting cork, it has a well-fitting cork which prevents heat losses by evaporation. It is important to note that the vacuum flask has felt pads that holds the flask firmly, and metal or plastic casing which protects the flask from mechanical breakages. Solar concentrators is another application of radiation. Solar concentrators have concave reflectors which are polished in the inside. The shape helps in concentrating the electromagnetic waves. To focus, while the polished surface enhances maximum reflection of the radiant heat from the sun. The other applications include polished surfaces in kettles, cooking pans, and iron boxes reduce heat losses through radiation. In home appliances, reduce heat loss by radiation. Petrol tanks are painted white and silvery to reflect away maximum heat. There are so many other applications, including houses in hot regions which are brightly painted on their roofs and walls to reflect away heat.